In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to get your iPad unstuck from the press home to unlock screen. Now, if you don't know what this looks like, this is a picture of my iPad. Just had this issue a little bit earlier today, and it got to the point where I was pressing the home button and nothing was happening. The touch screen still worked, all the other stuff was still working. However, pressing home would not actually bring up the lock screen or the passcode screen, and Touch ID was not working. So, all I had to do was turn it off and turn it back on. So what you do is you hold the top lock button until you see this screen. You just slide it over to power it off, let it fully power down, hold that same button again on the top till you see the Apple logo, and then it powers back on. And then that's all you have to do. It goes back to your lock screen, and then all of a sudden it starts working again. As with many IT problems, it's often fixed by just turning it off and turning it back on. That should always be your first option. Anyway, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.